Hi guys, so today we're going to be making some rustic chicken in garlic gravy. It's a skillet meal and it's delicious. Now for your ingredients, you're going to need some cooking oil, a little bit of flour, a couple of tablespoons of butter. You're also going to need some chicken broth, some dry white wine. You're going to need some thyme. You can use dried thyme or fresh thyme. And you're also going to need about 20 cloves of garlic. Yes, 20. You're also going to need some skin-on, bone-in chicken thighs. Now for your thighs, you're going to go ahead and season them up with some salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and a little bit of paprika. Now to my skillet, I've added in some cooking oil, and I'm going to go ahead and brown my thighs on both sides. You want to make sure you get that skin nice and crispy. Now after my thighs are browned on both sides, I'm going to go ahead and remove them from my skillet. Now to my skillet, I'm going to go ahead and add my garlic. Now I'm going to cook my garlic for about 3 minutes. You want to make sure you keep it moving because you don't want your garlic to burn. I'm going to sprinkle in my flour and I'm going to let that cook together for about a minute or so. Now I'm going to add my chicken pieces back into my skillet with my flour and garlic. Now we're going to go ahead and cover this up and we're going to stick it in the oven and cook it at 400 degrees for about 15 minutes. Now once it's out of the oven, we're going to go ahead and remove our chicken. Next, we're going to whisk in our white wine. We're going to let that wine simmer for about a minute or so. And then we're going to go ahead and whisk in our chicken broth. And then we're going to add in our thyme and any seasonings you would like. Now after that gets nice and thick, we're going to stir in our butter. Now we're going to go ahead and add our chicken back to our skillet. And then we're going to go ahead and spoon over that delicious garlic gravy. Y'all, yum.